Let's talk about the changes coming in your most accurate forecast. We're actually not talking dry weather, but we're talking wet weather as we track our next storm system. It's going to bring stronger winds, rain chances, even snow to the high country, and a cool down. Finally, but not today. Today's still going to be a warm one, although today not as warm as it was through the weekend or even yesterday. This morning we're starting out in the 60s. You saw that temperature just update for Tempe. Tempe, you're down to 66 degrees. It's 61 in Mesa, 65 in Goodyear. Phoenix still holding on to 70. We topped out at 96 yesterday, so it's been slow to cool. We also have a few thin high clouds that have been drifting in across the valley. We'll see mostly clear skies through the day. You're also noticing some more clouds to our west. Those will move their way in too. So just some thin high clouds, but no rain in the forecast for today. The valley looking to stay dry, and we're still going to be warm and above average, but that temperature not as high as it's been the last few days. I think we'll be to 73 by 9 a.m. The warm up slower with 83 by noon. Temperatures at 87 by 2, and we'll just barely make it to 90 by 4 o'clock here this afternoon. A toasty afternoon with some thin high clouds out there. Across the state, we're starting out at freezing in Flagstaff. It's 52 in Payson, 43 right now in Show Low. By this afternoon, still warm, especially through central and southeast Arizona, with temperatures in the 80s to right around 90 degrees, 78 in Sedona. But notice how western Arizona, those temperatures are starting to trend down. That's because those clouds are moving in. Eventually, we're going to see that cooler trend across the state as our next storm system moves in. You'll notice it first on Futurecast impacting California. Then it's going to swing into our state, swing a cold front across, and that means exactly what it sounds like. Cooler air will be moving in behind that cold front. Winds are also kicking up though over the next couple of days. Today just between about 5 and 15 miles an hour. Tomorrow though, especially by later in the day, we could start to get some gusts near 25 miles an hour, and those gusts still strong going into Thursday as that cold front swings in. Today dry across the state with just some passing clouds. Tomorrow though, watch how those showers start to develop in northwest Arizona, and then those showers stretch in to central Arizona and eventually the valley. Timing looks to be best Wednesday night into Thursday morning. Showers, possibly some thunderstorms, and those rain chances going up to around 50% by Thursday morning. Now, we could also get some snow from this in the high country. We'll talk more about that in just a bit, but look at the temperature trend. We'll go from 90 today to 70 for a high on Thursday, and we'll get to keep those 70s around into Friday too. Again, more on that snow in just minutes.